Well, it is fall, y'all. And here in Texas, even though it's only about 10 degrees cooler, we are loving the cool weather. So I'm really getting into decorating in fall and making things in fall. And I thought I would make an apple pie. I mean, how much more fall can you get? So walk along with me and I'll show you how to make a simple apple pie. Look at this cute little carrier that I'm going to be taking. We got it from someone who had delivered a pie for us, or to us, and it's just the cutest thing. So, has my little pie shell in it. So I'm gonna send it over in that, and then she'll send it back to me and I'll get to visit with her again. So we gotta have a recipe. I always have a recipe. So here is my apple crumb recipe. So there's a couple ways to cut an apple, to slice it. And you can do it by hand. And I've done this many times. And you just cut it in half. You cut the ends off. Core it. You cut the skin off. So I learned to make pies from my mom when I was about 12 years old. So now you're gonna cut it in slices. Those are just perfect for apple crumb pie. And then you just finish it this side. A cookie sheet. so it doesn't spill over. And now we're ready for the oven. So we just want to make sure that our oven is at 400 degrees. Our pie is on the cookie sheet on the middle rack. And we are ready to go. Bye, little pie. Oh, it smells so good. The timer went off, so we just want to check it. And actually, it looks pretty good. You want the crust to be brown but not burned. And you want the top to be melty and pockets of little, dry areas too. It's boiling, and it's cooked long enough for the apples to be soft. So I don't know, I think it's ready. Let's get it out and test it. Well, I am headed over to my friend's, also my neighbor, and gonna take the pie. And it gives me a good chance to visit with her, and we're all so busy, and so it's just nice to get together and have a reason to. So, headed that way. I have something for you to think about. I'm reading in the New King James Version of the Bible in Matthew 22, 36 through 40. Need glasses. Teacher, which is the great commandment in the law? Jesus said to him, you shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind. This is the first and great commandment. And the second is like it. You shall love your neighbor as yourself. On these two commandments hang all the law and the prophets. So make a pie today and go take it to your neighbor. And you're going to be blessed, and so will they. And thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit the like button. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and so you can be the first one to see the video. Well, thanks again, and God bless you and your family in love. Bye.